Listen carefully. No, not listen.
People that love me, all of you that love me, please, if you see anywhere they are insulting me, because I don't do them anything, I don't deserve any insult from anybody that is not up to my cleaner at home. Help me bring the page down.
Okay.
Report it and send me the screenshot and send me your account. In fact, if you see where they are insulting me, get a massive report. Let them report it. Send me your account. Each page you bring down that reports me, I'm giving you 500,000. Provided you do it, you report it, you bring the page down, you give me the proof. I will also shake. I'm giving you 500,000.
Hey, my people, no be smarty, no. This video I go come do on live on TikTok. I just watched this video when they come they talk about the surrogate issue. Now, no say now she bring and call this prophetess Grace. Now she bring and call say, "Make una come see oh, make una come help her drag the woman." Oh. When she come see say now the thing come over, it can't turn around her. Then she come and come do another video say I had no day again for the surrogate. That one I go play am for now. This one ain't shock me for inside my brain. You now see say if I dey talk and say me before person go carry a hand say you want put am for my head, come pray for me. God, when I get my own mouth. This one na prophetess Grace. Now they talk so say anybody wey they insult am for media. He say people wey love am. He say make them gather, go there, make them go report that page, make them bring am down. She go pay. And this one they talk say he be person of God. I don't understand though. Me wey not the same people go they say make them go destroy person things. Wetin me come be? I don't understand. Don't tell me. You see why I be say all these people where they you know say from my language they say no tirane ya or ya bossa. Not be everybody way call Baba God. Now they go there. Not be him. Now yeah, now inside yeah, now be your God. If I dey tell now say not to the rush to go church, not be by to carry Bible. Your heart how it be. You they wish evil, you they see another person progress, you go they draw down. Now that one. Una hear wetin Grace talk. Now she carry matter on social media. Grace, you no know as matter be for media. Say anything wey enter. No come wait. Say make them come do one the way you like. I mean, you say na mugu na ide. Some people there where their hair still correct. People like us, with they count 1 + 1 and 2, not be 10. You think say as you just bring that matter come, everybody will just shout, where the woman? Bring and come here, we can't do it. Now so they tell they do it. No, the answer is no. Not be in Nigeria you day. Now abroad, now we day. You understand? They say travel is a part of education. Most of them, they use and to educate yourself. Why some of them not use and to educate yourself? You see people like us, we use and to educate ourselves. Say 1 + 1 and 2, not be 10. So you want to sit down for inside house, Grace. Sorry, my people. You go sit down for inside house. You say because of people love you. The matter where you carry a con, you say then they insult you. You say make those people, you want them send them. Jesus, so Baba God, I beg on this come down, may you can't really know people will be say they call your name for batting. You want me batting there for those people hand. You know what go report by yourself. You they send people. Is that not evil thing? That one not be evil thing, and you go pay them 500,000 any page when they report. You forget say you get page for this social media. I mean you think send everybody they use until they eat for media. Sorry, my people. You think say everybody they use the page that they eat for media? What it be page? Anybody where you be say it reports any something of Grace, they call you send they go report them. Person like me, if they report my own, now you are going to build another one. Now me they tell you, I know they do saga, but now what you talk because person where be say they do this kind of thing. Now make me if now say I be prophetess, I be pastor, I be this one. I go they look the way you say they behave before I go say yeah this one a genuine. I know the four put say because you talk am for math. Person like me, I feel still come out. I'll say I be prophetess, I be pastor, I be this one. No, your character. Let me go tell no say this one. He join. Grace. You say make them go the report people page. Anybody where be say una talk about Grace because now you carry matter come. Now you say you they say something. Now we follow you by. We follow you by because now so it be for media. If you they say something, you carry come people go follow you back because now free. No come expect say dem go come support you the way you take bring am come, na dem go come say dem wan come join you. E no dey work like that, Grace. Anybody wey be say people wey you say you love, make dem go report page because you wan give them 500,000 because they never see 500,000 before. If they report the person, they go use you to build another one. Simple as ABC. If you come dey cry say I no get anything where I do that person, yo, I not do anything, yo, why you come dey use me to the build page? Now so it be for media. When you report somebody page, Facebook go tell you wetin make the report. That person go use you to build the page, another one. You go use am to grow. You know carry something come make you come tell people say make dem not talk put. Have you not been say the woman not dey pay again? Okay, what you be want make people come talk? You said that they insult you. You go take am like that. Now so it be for media. Now so it be for media. Eh? Now so it be for media. No expect say they go join me. No. So go come and they go curse you. Person like me, I not curse you, but now wetin dey happen now just dey talk say how you go do surrogate for person wey not there around. He go come give you some more money, saying they never complete. And that's what they tell they do. Me, I talk for the issue. I talk put, but I not come make I come carry your head, make I come the knock am. Everybody not be the same. The way when they want to talk there, you let them talk am. Maybe some still dey wey be say they not like you, or maybe you don't still do them something. If they want carry am, they go carry am the way where they like. Not be you go come tell them because na so it be. Something where you carry come, you can't share down for media. They go draw hand the way where they like. Now they want to do am. No, you not go expect say make they come say yes, bring the woman come, make we come beat the woman. The rest people feel they beat. Another side go say no, not be so not be so we go tell do one. Now so it be for media. So you come sit down, because you know say people where they follow you, they bring hungry lion. You say make them go they report people page. I not expect this thing for your hands for it. And if I know say you be fake prophetess, so I know. Because when man give something happen, say make they shook man give for inside bekus where you come they do different things. I know say not be genuine one you be, but you see do so you just can't do so. You just can't confirm. You know say this page where person they do now business now they take and take they do. Some they do one just so like they want to do something. Like you now, you they post your children, they do everything, you they get the happiness. Why you want go draw people happiness down? Prophetess Grace, why? You say man, okay, you can't say they can't draw their page down. Massive report, they will come draw the page down. That person where they draw a page down, you not go know say now you send people come. Thank God say you can't use your mouth, can't talk for social media, so that the person go use you to create another page. It dey very easy. Now wow, not be everybody where they come about God. Now he heart clean no, not be him. You can't stand up say, make the people come see am. You be mother of 7, you be nanny. How old are you, Grace? Maybe you should be 40 something or 50. Person like me now, I don't pass 50, but people not go believe. But that is my age. Everybody get their you understand? You'll see some people you look at me go even the talk say, wow, how old are you? Go say be 55. Like that Mama Sonia, you see her? You not go no say na 55. If they look at your teeth, say na 40 or 40 something. You understand? Not they use all those things today. If they talk to you, not they use. I don't understand. I not just know what I want to tell you. Because as I don't watch this your video, I go sit down do one for TikTok. Maybe people can see wetin you talk. You said your hand not there for the woman, a girl. The woman say she come, then she want pay you. The time where you and the woman they do one 2 years, not year now. Why you can't carry and come media? And you can't expect say everybody go your join you say you do one where now the woman good now go buy am. It's not done that way. Now pikin na they talk about. So pikin wey be say una go put for inside person another person belle. The pikin never come out now. Area don scatter. If the pikin come out uko, innocent children wey be say they una go bring come. Una let the pikin never even come out. Wahala don burst. So people must talk. People must talk. Now you wrong because if the woman go direct to the hospital, you know tell them for hospital say he no need again. If you say he no need, them know how wetin they want do. But as far as say you can't involve, you want to tell us say the woman not give you 1 cent. Who you want content? You will go find surrogate come. You not collect 1 cent. That one we go do one for live video. Grace, those people will be say una eye open for money. Not go wetin Grace tell you. Let her go by herself. Carry your cross, Grace. No, they push people, make them go, they do evil. It's not good. It's not good. Make them go do evil, make you can't pay them. God forbid bad thing. Una no see una.